Hello everyone. I know I'm in a private server. Yeah, if you don't know what that is, it means like there's no people or anything. So, yeah, I got some more bees and yeah. I got the fuzzy pack too. See? Oh my. Just got the one. Okay. That's my fuzzy bee. Look, I got the fuzzy bee. Fuzzy pack. Let's see. So what do we gotta do? Do mushroom field? Okay, I'll do that later on. So what we gotta do is that we're gonna use this honey dispenser. Let's see if he has anything. I'm sorry to say, but I need nothing but I want new boots. By the way, I went up there and I got the royal jelly. I actually got that royal jelly. Whee! I'm going so fast. Whee! I'm using the red cannon. Whee! I'm using my parachute now. I call it a parachute because it has like that power. Let's actually have the same stuff as him. Just to let you know. I'm using. Here you see? Look at the backpack. So they're telling you which one's the best. So look, I have the same backpack as him. And I even that honey. So I jump down again. Get that beat. Stop it. Get some help. I like that meme. Okay, be right back. Ow! Okay, I'm back. I just went to say I hate memes. Don't say why I just said that. Die, my ladybug. Okay.
Take care of them.
Oh, my bees are getting the honey.
Really? You just throw it right here and then you want it?
Okay.
You are so funny, bro.
Let me use a slingshot.
How many cigarettes you get?
Let's see if I can buy those boots yet. Everyone just says I'm a noob, but who cares? Don't play it. Here we are. We're here.
I know. You got me.
Okay, so what do we got? I already have that. Got that.
There's always a battle. Always. When do we have time to be a family, Rock? Well, you know, other than the other night.
Nope, can't get the boots yet. But that is okay.
Do you?
Hey, my bees are falling asleep.
Something huge for weeks. Something really big, huge big.
How big?
Yeah, Rock, that big.
Really?
What I'm trying to
If you hear that back in the background, that is just my brother playing Piggy.
I can't believe it. How long have you known?
Woo.
Why didn't you tell me this earlier?
That was like exactly my whole point. You're always
Okay, now that we're up here, I do not know what we're doing. Because I already have this royal jet. Ah!
Not for someone like you. Look,
Yeah. Be right back.
everything else.
We're back, everyone. Yeah, we're going to escape, okay? Bye-bye. Time to escape, everyone. Look. Where would our people? Okay, time to go in private server. Wait, first let me just show them the intro.
The end.
Yeah, let me show them the end. Okay, everyone, this is what the end looks like. Already facing this over in there. Wait! George, aren't the sisters supposed to be watching you? I can dance and play a game of hide and seek. Why did you follow us, George?
It's very important to the elephant kind, but soon they won't remember.
I want to see the person who hurt me family.
The family's distracting them. They'll be the most fearless
Well, you
You'll have your wish, your
quite
majesty.
the crowd.
Magic potion is complete,
Spider Girl,
will remember.
1712, take George in there. Pony and I will hold them off. Stay close to me, George. I'll keep you safe.
How was that bee?
Zizzy, if we don't make it out of this, I just want to let you know. It's okay, Pony. I already know. Okay, so here we are. I've become a disaster. I tried to make things better, but then they're making things worse. I'm a robot man. Mr. P, we've come to stop your evil plans. No, it can't be. Everyone get your magnifying glass and be a weirdo. You two aren't really my mid is players tricks on me. The people let down a huge heart to me. Whoppy me. What is he talking about? We gotta go after him. Okay, time to leave the game. Where the heck the piggy out? Hey, okay, there it is. So let's come in servers and join my brother's private pervert. Say your name in the comments so you can join. Or if you're one of our friends. But please don't. If you're a scammer, don't hack in our account. Please.
Wait, fast.
Okay, I'm in. Piggy's about to spawn. Okay, I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. I'm dead. I am straight up dead. Why did I join at this sec?
How did you join?
Because I wanted to.
Run!
Bye-bye.
We go back.
Bye-bye. Have a nice time. Okay, time to run this
I need
way.
to go back.
No, we're running this way.
I need to go back.
Magic! Mojo! Come on!
That was a bullet gun.
Oh no! Go away! Go away! Go away! Go away!
Just to let you know, I don't know where I'm going because I'm literally the distraction. So if I die, I could watch my brother. Sometimes I get stuck and sometimes I know where I'm going. Okay, Piggy's behind us. Come. Really? Really, man? You just killed me.
Me?
Yes.
I wasn't paying
Bye-bye.
attention. I wasn't looking.
Why did you kill me? I got stuck on the door and then I couldn't run. I couldn't come in time. Okay. What are we choosing?
You choose.
Okay. I convinced we should choose. We shall choose.
Need to have each other's backs.
The poo-poo of men. Okay, this is what we're choosing.
No.
Fine. Okay. But this map is easy. It's easy peasy. Last time we played, my brother died and I won the game from him. Okay. We're doing bot. Just to let you know who the bot is if you haven't seen it. It's that pig.
Grandpa Pig.
Yeah, it's actually Grandpa Pig inside. We watched the video. Please don't copyright us or love the deal.
I'm gonna take a nap.
We're almost out of here. I just need to rest a little. If you look in the background, look behind Bunny and that green key room's open. Don't worry, Bunny. We're getting out of here.
My wings just block it.
Okay, here we go again. Let's find the way again. See? It's working. By the way, I don't want to go downstairs because if I end up on the other side, I might die. Okay, we don't need that yellow key.
Okay, I found the green key.
Thank you.
Wait, don't go over there.
Why?
Peppa. Piggy.
Wait, where's the blue key? Okay, where the heck is that blue key?
I do not know.
Just to let you know, Piggy's coming.
Trunks and, round bodies, pretty much all the right parts.
Oh gosh, she's coming.
It's not totally perfect, but
Run.
Straight away.
Come on, follow me. I know where to go. I know how to juke Piggy.
Get the green key.
be with them all soon.
I
Down
don't.
here.
Got it. Wow, you all look
Just
healthy.
run.
Did they feed you well?
He's gonna go the other way. Just to let
Well,
you know.
this is how we juke her.
Since the time of
Bye bye.
as we've taken over 4 countries
Again.
and incorporated village style.
No, I know.
The whole world by now.
Okay, ready? So first, we run around here. Second, we come right here. So you see how Piggy's chasing you? Watch this.
Go away.
Bye bye.
When I'm done, the word family will have no
Y'all leaving something outside?
Nope.
Amuse.
Y'all did?
Yeah, we left plushes in the truck. Don't go that way. Why did you?
Oh!
Who's that? Stay here.
Go away.
Where the
Go away,
heck
you
am
fat
I?
pig. I need help.
There's nothing in there. Go downstairs. Up here.
Oh gosh, I can't.
Daddy's gonna go get them for you.
Oh, go away, go away.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, Daddy. Come here. I will distract her. Just come on. Come on.
Here.
You're on safety. I'll distract Piggy.
Okay, when you see pig, shout pig.
Pig!
All right.
I gotta watch like this. Run.
Go on now.
I'm going to get the.
By the way, if we don't say bye, I'm sorry. Don't say why I'm going this way.
Hey, where is he? Oh, hi. Bye bye.
I have no idea where I'm going because of this.
Video.
Okay, I do not know where I'm going because of the stupid app. I'm not going that way. No, thank you. Why did you close the door on me? Oh, no. Get me out of here. Hey, does anyone know where I'm going? I'm just going to stay in here and sit down.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no, my brother needs some help. Don't worry, you're saved. Save yourself.
No.
My name is Wingman. I'm a bird who can sing, man. No, they've been found.
Melody, wake up! What's happening? The kid's soldiers. They've found us. Take the twins and run.
Oh,
So magic. Pick up. We have to go. Come on.
bye-bye. Have a nice time. I like that. Piggy just goes away. Don't go that way. Piggy's that way.
Who you chasing? Are you chasing me or your brother? You piece of crap. Because you don't know what you're doing.
Hey, baby.
Me. Because you're going to get slammed in the face. Because you don't know what you're doing. Oh, yeah.
Come over here. Where? Wait, all we need is that white key. Bunny, wake up. My girl, wake up. Okay. We'll just close that door, and then we'll close that door, and then we'll close that door.
Where's the orange key?
We're not family. We're just friends. Don't you all miss your own families?
Not more than you'll miss your free.
Where the heck are we going anymore?
I need to find the orange key.
I was really afraid we lost you guys.
Well, I gotta escape.
Stay together.
Where's that other coin at?
I know where it is. Follow me.
Okay.
Stand around.
He's super slow, so he ain't gonna get us.
Mine way.
We can't surrender.
Don't say why I do that voice.
We do what they're afraid.
Hey, Piggy's chasing us. Piggy's probably chasing us. So we might want to close that door now and stuff. Get up! Run!
Let us away. Now go do this, do that, do this, do that, do this. Now we can head off. Go fast. Go to the exit.
I am. Go. Go in. I'm coming.
Hi.
Trapped in the vault.
Bye.
No.
Please.
You escape.
Come on.
Don't worry, I am.
Bonnie, the train is working now. Bonnie, are you alright? Come on. Drink. Mr. P gave me a potion. I drank it. I didn't know soon what it would turn me into. You could still come with me. We can find him.
Really
No, you need to go without me.
Okay.
Yeah. Bunny, I go now. I'll hold those monsters off as long as I can. Go. Goodbye, Bunny. Good luck, Spider Girl. 6, 17, 12. That's really sad. Okay, let's sum this. Carnival. Coming. I'm coming. I'm like straight up when you, just to let you know, the infected dog is fake. Why won't you skip longer?
There's just this bed for one.
Stop being black. Okay, I'll be right back when it's unblack. I had to restart the game because it won't unblack. What did you do?
Hello.
Well, I'm picking up. Just in case, I'll join. Just in. Why is my game lagging? Where the heck is that red key? Okay, I found the blue key. We'll just grab that.
Get that and let's run.
I can't grab it. Follow
Go
me.
fast. Go fast. Gotta go fast. Gotta go
Follow
fast.
It's right there. We're saved.
Help me. You didn't get it.
Piggy's coming. Why didn't you use it? That's the exit. Follow me. That's the exit. Now we need the red key. My game was lagging. Die.
I got because you come by jumping over him.
Not this elephant. Not anymore.
I hate this.
General Lance.
Okay, my red's set.
Fight me at first.
Pause it so that when it's done.
Okay, we're back with Carnival again. Okay, that was literally hurting my leg.
Señoritos,
Wow, everywhere. Whoa. For some reason, it still says game over on my bird screen.
No, actually.
Bot has been selected. And it is me who is not the bot.
And then it's not going to be Piggy Alpha. It's just going to be called Piggy. And then when all the alphas...
Hey! Ready?
Must be around here somewhere.
You must be around here somewhere. Somewhere.
Nothing.
Because Piggy has to spawn. Oh, there's the orange key at least.
Okay, can you disrupt Piggy?
Yes, sir. Okay, there's the purple key, and we don't need it yet.
I found a teal key. What is that?
It's over here.
See you later.
I have no idea what I'm
I
doing.
need help. I need help.
Follow,
Run out of the way.
follow me.
I can't.
What? Piggy. I will get it. Hey, mouse, you're back. Is it a she? Hey, Piggy, come here.
No, I got this.
No, I'll hold Piggy off your back. I'll hold your Piggy off your backy.
Can you leave my butt cheeks alone, brother?
Tons of elephant girls.
I'm coming the other way.
At least 3 or 4 of them.
This is so easy. No, run out of the way, out of the way!
By the way, my game's lagging. Piggy's flipping not gone. I was about to say Piggy's gone. Piggy's flipping gone. I was about to say that. My game's lagging. Run! Run!
The plane.
I gotta run! Let's just run around the city.
We do not need the gun, do we? Stay up. Stay up there.
Don't cry. It's okay.
Here we are, Piggy. How do you feel now? Huh? Huh? Tell me, how do you feel? Wow. I can't get you. Well, yeah, you're not supposed to get me, so nee, 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 boo, boo.
Stop.
Okay, we're here. Ready?
Go.
Go!
Okay, we're almost done already.
This one clearly loves her children. I'm done with these bad guys interfering with my war.
We're almost there. Wait, is the hammer done?
Oh gosh, no.
No, gosh, please, no. 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 Okay, no. Run. Where's the purple Kiki? Purple Kiki. Why?
See you later, sucker.
The purple Kiki is being cheeky.
Which come from the king.
Time to grab it.
Or to hide this elephant.
I need help.
I got the purple key.
I'm not gonna please get the bullets and shoot pig.
What if I die?
Who would stop at nothing for this fire?
Oh god. Which way are you coming from?
I can't get the bullets. Well, yeah, at least I got the gun and I know where the bullets are. This circus. Don't come where I'm coming.
Go to the exit! Go.
Go free! Bye-bye.
Okay, let's. You see this cutscene. Mr. P, I'm here too.
Who are you?
I want to
Zai.
No, I say. I want to be the pony.
Pony, the fact that don't talk.
Hey, I knew that.
I'm Zizzy, and this is my friend Pony. I'm Spider Girl.
What are you doing?
I'm
here?
Spider Girl 61712. What are you doing here?
Came to look.
No. We came to look for survivors. We got a safe place.
Oh, look, Lane got a fire to do.
You escaper. That's no friend. That's one of them. Okay.
Don't worry.
You're supposed
Don't
to.
worry, I got this.
Thanks. That was a close one. Let's bring you back with us. This place is dangerous. Okay, let's just skip.
And then we get
Skip!
to chapter 9. Let's do that one.
There it is! Our poop place. Don't say why I said that.
Wow, you can probably smell that from outer space.
What was all that smell up on that?
Help! I can't smell the red.
Who are you? Who, me? Oh, I'm nobody.
Boop.
What you doing? Israel?
Hey, I'm just gonna hit back and play again.
Right, guys? Alright?
Oh, don't worry about me telling. I don't have anyone to tell anyway.
Hey, look, I'm leaving and rejoining. See, look, watch this, ready? Leave and now rejoined. That's funny.
Whatever.
I can't do. Oops.
Well, if you don't need help, you don't need help.
I almost chose player and bot. I'm not lying.
Maybe I can help. But if I
There it is. We're safe up.
Okay, they'll be pretty surprised that we found someone.
Big bro! Big bro! Big bro! Big bro!
come on.
Let's find a way to.
Let's find a way to get in.
We need grass for our sis friend.
If we get that far, let's start one.
Just call that, please.
Like Doofy. Dum.
We're going upstairs. Hey, this was my idea, not yours.
Your legs off.
No. No! Don't check them. That was my idea of checking these.
Nice, oh.
I'm sorry, keycard.
This is Rock, the bravest, toughest.
Mama.
I'm pulling you off.
By the way, can you let Piggy lead you? Because every single time when I lag, Piggy gets closer.
Now make Piggy stay.
Does anyone happen to know how we can get
Okay,
from
never
here?
mind.
I can take you
I was
in.
a fast
I
boy.
sleep down there sometimes at night when it rains. You sleep in a dungeon. That sounds made up. It's a trap. It's not made up. It may not be nice, but it's trap.
Okay.
It's a little scary.
I told you! My game lagged. And then the piggy gets close.
Oh God.
Stop.
What's
Down
wrong
with
with
this.
the little blue elephant?
I like winning with you.
Malta.
No! Don't say. Please. Thank you. The peanut butter jelly.
Your peanut butter jelly me.
No, Mom. We're doing that.
This is gonna be easy.
Gotcha now.
You're in this way. Sorry, y'all.
Mom, why would they hide here?
No,
Basically, we just lost one round.
Magic? Mojo? It's me, your father. You don't recognize me. Here, let me take my hat off. Come give your father a hug. Come on up here.
we need something.
Aw, that is so nice.
Time for Katie's Cafe. No.
Am I right?
No, I want to go in the Kitty's Cafe.
Okay, could I get a large piggy?
Grass. Okay.
Okay, get that. Like here.
Here we go, Zebra. Here you are, Zizzy. Go kill Piggy for us. Zizzy, what are you doing?
I'm having the technical difficulty.
By the way, get Piggy chasing you, please, because Zizzy's... Okay, she can't find Piggy. Hey, sir, how you doing?
Good, I think is found the pig.
Here,
Okay.
just
So
listen.
the dungeon's
There's the green key,
Oh gosh.
and we
I
don't...
need help.
That's where the ceremony is happening tonight. And this is where the king's palace is. And this is where we are right
Yoink.
now.
There you are. Wait, is that a cucumber? Wait, no, those are bullets. I actually thought that was a cucumber. Don't say why I walked.
Okay, there's the crowbar.
Don't say why I walked through that. That was just for no reason. Okay, I'm not running that way now.
Your plan's kind of foiled there.
Pugsley,
He's back
I
up.
know we don't always get along. And we
I wish I had the parachute in this game. That would be so cool.
She's right. So are you
Woo!
not?
Can you find more grass?
That's what I'm doing.
The general's men are here to see you.
I found some
Shall I
grace.
tell them to go?
Now give it to Sissy.
No, let them see me.
I am trying
If they say I'm not
Oh, look, the blue key. Did we use that yet?
Nope. But we need to get the board.
Okay, so we used the orange key, so I'm just going to grab that.
That's why we
Okay, put that item away. Now grab that.
Nice.
Then we grab this. I don't know why I have that.
What's right is
In
not
fact, I don't
Okay,
know why I have
we
this.
do not have the board.
always, and yet
First we need a board, and then we get the board.
Sometimes they
And then we'll get the board. Then we'll get the board.
times when I'm eating potted meats and
Then
brushing
we'll get the
windows
blue
and trying to
key.
make things clear, but it's
Boards
still
everywhere.
clear
Board.
since I've been to
Board.
Texas.
Wait, we haven't used the
Are you
purple
kidding
key.
me?
Sometimes it just
Just,
gets
I'm on top of the skate.
Oh no, I got stuck! I need my charger!
I'm on the skate
You
tree.
did not even try helping.
I'm sorry, I didn't know where you were. Bye-bye, Piggy.
Die now.
I'm stuck.
It starts forcing you to go to Piggy.
We're on the way. I don't know where I'm going.
You know, I'm getting my charger. I'm done.
I died. Let's try again because I love it. Why is this a super long video? It's supposed to be about baseball, not Piggy. Okay, this is bad. Yes, it is. It's a little bit warm, and now it's a Piggy video. Piggy videos mean Tiggy videos, and Ziggy videos mean Fifi videos, and Fifi videos mean Tiggy videos.
You disgrace me. I'm breaking the law.
Come in this way. I love cookies. I love cookies.
You're gone for a week and you get no cookies.
Really?
That's because we didn't phone it.
Let's just die.
What about we try winning?
Okay.
You know, we need one house win. How long has it been?
For about the 4 hours.
Oh my god!
I
It's
mean, you're
been 34 minutes! And we only lost 2 rounds.
Oh, this is first round. Your first goes to action. Okay. Let's see. What was that sound?
But there is one thing.
He just comes behind me.
My butt cheeks! My butt cheeks!
Oh no, I've got to get out of here.
Rest rescue as many
The
as you
bling.
can.
Wait, don't use that. I'm an idiot.
Dad's back. It's clear what we need to do. If General Lance found out we were brothers,
Wouldn't it be good?
good thing we don't look alike.
Yeah, I'm the pretty one. That's what Mommy always
The
said.
portly members of the family will keep guard
I
here.
have no
Piggy
idea.
chasing me.
I love you guys. Just don't mess
I
up.
do not.
Yeah. Piggy chasing me.
I don't know where I'm going.
No, that's where Piggy's there.
Come here, Piggy. Get shut. Bye. Bye-bye. How about one more time? Close the door.
Wink.
Dude, we gotta get the green key.
Oh, hi there. Yeah, I already did the green key.
Soldiers of Darklandia, ask not what you
I need
do
to
for
know.
your parents.
You
For
do?
your brothers or sisters
Coming.
or children. Seriously.
Go.
Don't even ask those things ever.
Come back upstairs.
Don't
I can't suck.
ask.
I'll come to save you.
It's chasing you. Okay, I'm going to die now.
Sorry for screaming, but that just scared me.
Okay, Maul again.
Yes.
We almost won that time. That was almost first try win.
Okay, we only lost 3 rounds, and I'm still eating neck cookies.
How much rounds did we win? 2?
The city before Hemlock.
I don't remember. So we won.
One,
Optus. We won. Carnival. Metro.
Yeah, so we won twice. We lost like 3 times.
Okay, time to put this on.
Maul.
Maul is about crawl. Meow. Bot. Lottie, rebot.
What happens if we do play plus bot?
No. Okay, fine. Fine, we'll do that. And it's you.
We hit bot!
My hand flinched.
Can I just kill him?
I guess you are just like one of us.
Yes.
Always messing things up.
What are you doing here?
My babies. Oh, shh. Are you okay? Mommy's here. Everything's gonna be okay. Everything's gonna be okay.
I'm just gonna stay here like this.
I want to place a trap here so I can teleport back here. I know where you are.
Hey, sir. Welcome home, sir. Oh. Hello. Sir.
Hello there. I just like, it felt like I ripped her head off.
Time to play. Time to play a game.
I have like 100. Yeah, I already have a 90. The new Mr. Robo, Mr. Peaskin coming out tomorrow. Tomorrow, can we do Piggy Chapter 12 tomorrow? And record a video.
Yes, but we're gonna have to do player.
Why?
Just so we can figure it out.
Okay.
Right? Now what?
Maul again.
Dogs, cats, brothers, sisters, cousins, whatever. And the rebel elephant rock will forget he ever had a wife and children. Soon we'll all forget to become better countrymen.
That's a big forehead. We have so big foreheads.
Because we have no front hair, dude. Okay, I'll be right back.
It's about to start. Oh my gosh. 40 minutes. And 5 minutes.
You made us lose all the others. Did not. Did so.
Okay, I'm back. They ran this way.
Sorry.
I know about here.
Nothing but a yellow key.
Okay. I'm going in Kitty's Cafe.
Hey, I found some rice. I'm just gonna feed Zizzy.
Wait, did you go to Kitty's Cafe?
No.
Well,
Just
that's
found
where I
rice.
am. I found nothing in there. All I found was a purple key. Hello, purple key. You're my baby. My baby. Okay, is anything in here? No, nothing but junk. Kill him, please, Zizzy. Zizzy, you're an idiot. What are you doing?
Coming to kill today.
I just alarm myself. Cause I actually thought that was like on yellow. Where am I going anymore?
I don't know where you go. Where you go?
To the nowheres. Wait, the
To
planes.
the out now?
Just hold on.
We're going to the out out.
Yeah, where's Piggy?
Yo, it's chasing me now.
Oh.
Yo, you have the purple key now.
Bye-bye.
Now. I need that now. We need that right now. If we get the gun, then we can shoot Piggy to his death, and then he won't come back for another 20 seconds. Yeah.
Jumping up.
Get
Jumping
the
up.
purple key.
Jumping up.
Gonna get
Jumping
the
up.
purple key. Gonna get the gun. Gonna find some bullets. Let's shoot the Piggy to the ground.
Just to let you know, I just died by Piggy and I was at a corner. Piggy's coming to kill you now.
I need a gun, but where are the bullets at? I don't know. Hey!
Here's
My
some wood.
bullets have crap in it. My bullets have a crap in it. When I'm going to the kitchen, when I see a robot, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna hit it with it. With a crowbar. Or should I shoot it with a gun now? I'm gonna go way. Gonna get away.
Jump in.
Go away. Don't want to do this.
By the way, don't get stuck on the escalator.
Go away, don't catch me, cause I know what I'm doing now. Don't go away, don't touch me.
It's not my fault I got stuck in a corner.
Don't go away, don't touch me today.
I think we're going up.
Outpost, that's an easier one. At least for me.
I posted it.
Subscribe to my channel.
And if you're new, subscribe to me too.
Disordered memory.
No.
Different. Haha.
After this, we're doing disordered memory because this is the last day. Just to let you know, you might want to play Piggy tomorrow because that's when Chapter 12 comes out.
It's gonna take like a half of the day.
To come. So when it's like half, 9.5 day, you're gonna play.
But my husband slept. What am I gonna do right now?
Drop the cards in pound. Say make it through your life.
He has no qualms,
No,
no fear, and no heart.
It's like a fire girl. It's not alright. Let's turn the bass up.
Yeah, go Zizi, look at her butt cheeks. That's a big
You know I like it loud, loud, loud.
Yeah,
I hear a flipping sound.
you want to set it.
My ears are ringing loud, 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 loud.
Because that's how we
Now
do.
move your body so mannequins have you free.
Oh, yes, I already got the carrot. Let's go.
Sir, please don't hurt me. I'll just stay right here and enjoy the ride while Pony gets the prize. Bye-bye.
He hit the wrong one. You idiot. He hit the soldier. He hit the soldier.
Sometimes Pony could be a doofus.
Help me.
I do not. I don't know where I'm going. The soldier just went up there. Ready, go. Now Piggy's chasing me.
Okay.
This is how you get Piggy so he can't be behind you. So keep jumping, right?
Oh, no, panicking.
Wanna get at the table?
Okay, Dad,
And one, and two, one. Hang around the rope. And after that, you gotta do this.
Wait. We're already almost done with this.
Okay. So after that, you're supposed to get stuck on a lamppost. So you walk in here and run the other way.
He killed me. Why did you do that?
Just show them how not to be killed. So after
No,
that,
you got me killed.
you come up here.
Revenge.
Then you come over here. And after that, you're
Okay,
supposed to
we
get
want
stuck.
too much. It's the sort of memory. Go die.
So we go back.
Hey, soldier is not behind you, by the way.
Yes, he is.
No, he's ain't.
Yes, he is.
No, he ain't. No, he ain't. Stop running. He ain't behind you. Just stop for 2 seconds.
I know you
Me too.
You don't do what he's telling you.
I
Do it for a minute. Neither for a
I think we gotta stop the video for now. So play one. So play one more chapter of the Sword in Memory, please. Like the video, subscribe, hit the bell. If you wanna, you could comment. So yeah, because I don't want it to be an error. So good. So bye, y'all. Say goodbye to me. Bye-bye.